katumalirize ojja kuba nga otukoleramuku obukodyo ere mu maiso nga tumaliriza. Ndi abange bali ere. Okay, so these boys diving. Dangerous swimming waterfall here. He's coming. He's
oh wow. Look at him, guys. Woo! Oh my goodness. Did you see him?
Wakabi mwana. You a hero. You a hero. You see the hero?
A wonderful and amazing.
He's right there. These guys are great. Huh? So these guys defied the odds. They can swim really great. They are incredible. Ah, man. It's just wonderful to see somebody swim in a waterfall. Now I think you're almost done with the experience, but I wanted to hear from my guy here. It was so amazing to see those guys dive into the water, swim, and then going all the way down and getting out. I can't do that. Many people can't do that. So I was wondering if somebody could do that without a life jacket. And my friend here says if you have no life jacket, passing in that huge waterfall just here all the way down is hard, because the guy came around that area right there and he kind of disappeared for 4 seconds and he got out from down there, meaning the life jacket does a lot of work. It keeps him floating on top. So if you have no life jacket, no matter how great you were, you can hardly swim right here. So these guys are amazing. Yeah, that's why we had to show you about this incredible place, Itanda Falls. We're continuing to go all the way down and see. But this is great. I'm a counselor from Ginger. I do videos that encourage other people to get out of their comfort zone and try something new. And maybe something new might lead them somewhere out of bondage. That's the reason why I'm here. And thank you for following the counselor's life. Those of you who have been with us from the start, we started in July 2021 with a video called 5 Practical Ways How to Be a Blessing to Other People. And I shared a little later the vision video, Dreams from My Father God. And I'm working on a book just to share with people that don't believe in God, that God really works and how he can change the lives of those that trust him. And he gave birth to a ministry called FLEXYHOPE, and now I'm more encouraged to do this and to ask all of you to partner with us, to become members, to subscribe, so we can continue to push the channel and to help the ministry go forward, because we're sponsoring a lot of young people and mentoring young people. Share the video to other people and at least try to find some time. Try to find some time and take yourself out. It can help you out in many, many ways. Like I said, the counselor's life involves a lot of self-care. I always talk about self-care. Like every day we're working on stuff in our lives every day, and too much stuff just coming into our hearts, our blood, our physical body, and we need to release that out. And the only easy way I can release that is to come to the waterfalls, to come to the riverside, to just move around in nature that God created, and that's amazing. So see you everybody, see you whatever we can, and more videos are coming up. Keep coming back, share the video, subscribe, and become a member by looking at that membership button. It will help a lot, and your coming back will help a lot to the channel. Thank you everybody. God bless you everybody.